Today, I'm going to show you how to unlike Reels on the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, let's open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in. Now, let's find the reel you want to unlike. Scroll through your feed or tap on the reel sections at the bottom. Look for the reel that you've reacted to. Once you found the reel, tap on it to open.
यो एउटा अचम्मको दृश्य हेर्दै
You can find the see the like button at the screen if you've liked the reel. Tap the thumbs up icon like button again. It should change back to its original state, indicating that you've unliked it. To verify that you've successfully unliked the reel, you can scroll through the comments or reaction. The like count should decrease, confirming that your action was successful. And that's it, you've successfully unliked a reel on the Facebook app.